Children, open to a new page. Children, open to a new page of your arithmetic copy. Quickly. Write classwork on top. Write today's date. This is 1/8/21.
Ma'am, today's two date.
I hope everyone has drawn a margin. I hope everyone has drawn a margin.
August.
Whose mic is switched on? Please switch it off. Okay, I'm sending you an image.
आज 2 अगस्त है.
Sorry, it is two today. Yes, 2 अगस्त कौन बोल रहा है हिंदी में? हाँ? Sorry, children. The date today is 2/8/21. Right? Now I'm sending you an image. You have to do the sums in your arithmetic copy. Right? Do the work neatly, and once you finish it, you will send it to me in the group. While you're doing the work, I'll be taking your attendance, children. While you're doing this work, I'll be taking your attendance also. Wait, it is taking some time to reach you all. Just wait for a minute. Can you see the board clearly, children, all of you? Yes. Start writing your work.
Yes,
Yes, you all can see, na? Sanskar, better you have to take out a new arithmetic copy. संस्कार की मम्मी आप सामने आ जाइए प्लीज़, स्क्रीन पे आ जाइए. अरिथमेटिक 2 मैथ्स की कॉपीज़ होंगी आपके पास. उनमें से एक कॉपी निकालिए मैथ्स की. ठीक है, फर्स्ट पेज छोड़ दीजिए और नेक्स्ट पेज पूरा एक छोड़ दीजिएगा. और जो राइट हैंड साइड पेज है उस पर जो मैंने अभी क्लास वर्क लिखा है, आज की डेट डालिएगा. मार्जिन 2 स्क्वायर्स छोड़ के मार्जिन ड्रॉ कर दीजिए. मार्जिन हर पेज पे ड्रॉ करनी है. ठीक है, 2 स्क्वायर्स छोड़ के हर पेज पे ड्रॉ करनी है. और ये काम जो मैंने जिस तरीके से मैंने व्हाट्सएप इमेज भेजी है, जितने स्क्वायर्स छोड़ के सम्स लिखे हैं उसी तरीके से कराइएगा प्लीज़। आज आप उसको हेल्प कर दीजिए, 2-4 दिन में वो समझ जाएगा क्योंकि काफ़ी लॉस हो गया उसका। तो जितने स्क्वायर्स छोड़े हैं मार्जिन से ऊपर से एक सम और दूसरे सम के बीच में जो स्क्वायर्स हैं वो सब छोड़ के तब काम करवाइएगा, ठीक है। और जब काम ख़त्म हो जाएगा तो मुझे वापस व्हाट्सएप पे भेजना है इसी ग्रुप में। In the meantime, children, I am taking your attendance. Okay, get ready. Adya Verma,
Present, ma'am.
Achint Marotra, Achint Marotra. Achint, beta, where are you? I saw you just now. Anyway, I have marked you present because I know that you are present. Adyan, Advait,
Present, ma'am.
Akshat,
व्हाट्सएप को क्या काम दिया मैंने पहले
Akshat,
Present, ma'am.
Akshay Gupta.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Akshat, I got you. Akshay Gupta,
Present, ma'am.
okay. Akshita Yadav,
Present, ma'am.
Arna Raj. Arna Raj, are you there, child? Arsalan,
Present, ma'am.
Ayansh Rastogi,
Present, ma'am.
Devansh Lal,
Present, ma'am.
Ekagr, Fazil. Yes, Ekagr, I know you are present. Fazilat, Fazilat, Hanifa,
Present, ma'am.
Ashvi,
Present, ma'am.
Havira,
Present, ma'am.
Ishanvi,
Present, ma'am.
Jennifer, Jennifer, I saw you somewhere, Jennifer. You are in class, I think. Laiba Salim, Laiba, Lavik,
Excuse
Lavik.
me.
Wait, let me come finish the attendance, please. Myra Fatma,
Present, ma'am.
Abdullah, Mohammad Abdullah,
Present. Present, ma'am.
Mohammad Yasir,
Present, ma'am.
Mohammad Hussain, Mohammad Hussain,
Present, ma'am.
okay, Mohammad Ismail, Mohammad Izan,
Present, ma'am.
Myra Tandon, Myra Tandon, Myra is absent today. Nabia,
Present, ma'am.
Naima,
Present, ma'am.
Nishkat,
Present, ma'am.
Saida,
Present, ma'am.
Shayan,
Present, ma'am.
Suknoor,
Present.
Swastik, Tasmia,
मैम सॉरी आज मेरा कनेक्ट नहीं हुआ
Achint. I've marked you present. Don't worry about that. I saw you in the first period, so you are present, and I know that you're going to be there.
एक्सक्यूज मी
Tasmia, yes, Ekagru, wait, 3 children are left. Tasmia is absent. I saw her in the morning. Tasmia, are you there? I'll have to mark you absent if I don't see you, child. Veronica, I didn't see Veronica today. Vidushi,
प्रेजेंट मैम
Viraj, Viraj, are you there? Yashwardhan, Yatharth,
प्रेजेंट मैम
Sanskar, Sanskar Jain. Okay. Yes, Ekagra. What were you saying, child? Ekagra, you wanted to ask something?
सेंड करना है मैम सेंड करना है बस मैं थोड़ा
You have to send it. I am just changing the. What happened, Ekagra?
मैं थोड़ा थोड़ा मार्जिन ड्रॉ करा मैम
थोड़ा थोड़ा
मार्जिन नहीं ड्रॉ कर पा रहा
बेटा कोशिश करो मम्मी को थोड़ी जब आप स्कूल आओगे तो मम्मी थोड़ी ड्रॉ करेंगी जस्ट ट्राई ड्रॉइंग द मार्जिन 2 स्क्वायर्स छोड़ो यू टेक अप अ स्मॉल स्केल and draw the margin. Now those who have finished the work can send it to me. Okay children, I'll start checking your work just now. Advait, all good. Devansh, please draw the margin and then send me the work. I'll check only if the margin is drawn. Okay. Hadira, good work, neat work and good work. Naima, right, all correct. बेटा try to draw proper lines, straight lines. आप काम सही कर रही हैं. Ayansh Rastogi, all good, good work. Suknoor, yes. Izan Siddiqui, right. Shayan, right. निष्कर्ष इंस्ट्रक्शंस नहीं फॉलो किए हैं. तुमने देखा कि मैंने क्लास वर्क कहाँ लिखा था, तुम्हें सब्ट्रैक्शन सम्स कहाँ लिखने थे एंड कितने स्क्वायर्स छोड़ने थे. निष्कर्ष, प्लीज़ पे अटेंशन to the work that I send and send it as I ask you. Please redo it, Nishkat Singh, and send it. Nabia, please draw the margins and date, write the date as I have written, not the way that you have written. Please follow the instructions given. Tasmia, you don't have to draw lines to show this thing, subtraction. Please redo it and send it. Now who is this 56582? Whose work is this? the work is not clear, first and foremost, then subtraction sums, follow the instructions that I have given, do the work as I have. Adya Varma, okay, Adya Varma. Please redo as I have sent the work. Yes, Myra, good work. Subtraction facts nahi, subtraction sums hai. Myra, please rub out this thing. You've written subtraction facts, whereas I have written subtraction sums. So please change it.
Sorry, ma'am.
Arsalan, please don't draw the lines to show the subtraction. Rub that out better. Saida, yes. Good. Vidushi, date. You have not written child. Your work is correct. Please write the date and send it to me again.
Okay, ma'am.
Hanifa, right. But date ko write on the red line only, Hanifa. Akshat, okay. संस्कार बेटा आपकी कॉपी में पहले से ही मार्जिन बनी हुई है, तो आप उसी मार्जिन पे मार्जिन ड्रॉ कर देंगे. प्लस बेटा सी की मैंने मार्जिन से कितने स्क्वायर्स छोड़े हैं, ठीक है, उतने स्क्वायर्स छोड़ के ऑल्सो एक सम में, दो सम्स में बेटा आपने माइनस का साइन नहीं लगाया है, उसको फिर से करिए एंड सेंड इट टू मी. राइट,
Welcome.
Okay, ma'am.
ओके. एंड संस्कार सम्स की स्पेलिंग ठीक कर लो बेटा, SUMS है. Abdullah, date. You have to write the date, Abdullah. Achint, all good.
Ma'am, should I send my work again?
Mahira? Is that Mahira asking me? No, Mahira. Your work is correct. You just have to change this thing, facts. That is all.
Okay, ma'am.
Arsalan, okay, but have you left the required number of squares, Arsalan? Yes, Nishkat, try to work neatly, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Yasir,
Yes, ma'am.
Yasir, you don't have to draw the lines to show the working, okay? Please rub that out. Yeah, Vidushi, date on the left hand side, जैसे मैं लिख के ब्लैकबोर्ड पे लिखी हूँ वैसे, right? Ishanvi, you have to write classwork on top, beta. Okay, Ishanvi, your work is correct. Yes, Sanskar. Okay, Sanskar, good. यथार्थ बेटा, क्लासवर्क ऊपर लिखो एंड सेंड मी अ स्ट्रेट पिक्चर. आपने टेढ़ी पिक्चर भेजी है. प्लस संस्कार, यथार्थ, don't draw the lines. Don't draw the lines to show me the working, Sanskar. Yatharth. Getting confused. Vidushi, date on the left hand side of classwork, child. जैसे मैं लिखती हूँ. Continue sending me the work, those who have not sent it. Take a 10 minutes break and then we'll meet again for your social studies class in the next period after 10 minutes. Take a quick break, drink water. If you want to eat a biscuit or something, do it, and then 10 minutes.